Hey, John Lewis, Shoreline Manufacturing. I'm on my way to go visit Matt Kamps. He came to us a couple of years ago, was tired of replacing his heater box. His Kenworth heater box is rusting out consistently, and so he came to us and we got him a stainless steel heater box. So I'm on my way to go see how his heater box is holding up and see what he has to say about our heater box.
Hi, I'm Matt from Kamps Excavating. I no longer have to replace rusted out heater boxes in those trucks because it is a permanent solution. I recommend it to anybody that has a Kenworth because they eventually will need it. They are very easy to install and they fit exactly as a factory box would fit.
So if you're like Matt and you're ready to replace your Kenworth heater box, give us a call or visit our website at shorelinemanufacturing.com. We'd love to take care of you.